Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to optimize your Fiverr gig description. The first thing you must do is hook the buyers fast. Using your first two lines, you should be able to sell your services biggest benefit. For example, get high retention YouTube edits with cinematic cuts and effects. Second step is to use bullet points to highlight key features. For example, fast delivery, revisions, and tool use. Third step is to add keywords naturally. Include terms like professional video editing, TikTok editor, and stuff like that. The fourth step is social proof. Mention the experience or the client results. For example, 500 plus edits and 5-star reviews, or helps channels grow 50%. Then the fifth step is a clear CTA, that is, give a clear call to action. But end it with an urgency. For example, order now, limited slots. Now here are the mistakes you have to avoid. 1. Wall of text. Use short paragraphs and spacing. 2. Generic claims like best quality. Avoid them. Instead, show proof like your portfolio or the stats. 3. Ignoring FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, is a mistake. Always answer common questions like turnaround and file formats. 4. No CTA. People make mistake of not putting any call to action. Always tell buyers what to do next. For example, click order now. So here's a pro tip: update descriptions monthly based on buyer questions. Hope you found this video helpful.